Is your R35 overheating when you're sitting in traffic or at idle for a very long time? I would start with a couple things. First, I would check your relays, which are in here. These are your relays for your fans. Check those. You can use a 9-volt battery, run across the post, see if you can hear the clicking. Kind of get you in the ballpark. And then next, cheapest fix would be to, and this is what I did, and it corrected the problem. These control modules that sit on the back of the fan, you can pick them up for like 70 bucks a piece at Z1 Motorsports. I'll show you the part number. Right there. And came from Z1 Motorsports. That ended up correcting my issue. So they were kicking on at the proper times, and I think the first stage, one fan is 185, then it'll kick over to 2 at 50% I think duty cycle at 204, and then both go high after 222 or something like that. So try that first, and then if it's not that, then it's probably your fan motors, which are underneath the control module. So just trying to help some people out.